Subhash Chandra Bose. Good morning to the respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is. I am here today to speak about Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose, popularly known as Netaji, was a great militant freedom fighter and a patriot. He was born in Cuttack, Odisha on 23rd January 1897 to Janakinath Bose and Prabhavati Devi. His father, Janakinath Bose, was a well-known lawyer of his time. His mother, Prabhavati Devi, was a religious woman. Subhash Chandra Bose was a brilliant student. At an early age, he started reading about Swami Vivekananda and Ramakrishna and was influenced by their teachings. Bose completed his BA Honours in Philosophy in 1980 from the University of Calcutta. He later went to England in September 1919 for future studies. He was selected for the Indian Civil Service, but he did not want to stay in England and serve the British government. Subhash Chandra Bose resigned for his civil service job in 1921 and returned to India after hearing of the national turmoil in India. He led a radical wing of the Indian National Congress. Throughout the 1920s and 1930s and eventually gained enough popularity and support to rise to a position of leadership in the INC. He eventually became the Congress president in 1938 but ended up leaving the party in 1939 because of a difference of opinions with the rest of the Congress leadership. After his resignation from the Congress, he was placed under house arrest by the ruling British government, but managed to escape India in 1940. Upon his escape, he made his way to Germany by 1941, where he secured the sympathy and help of the Nazi Party in his plan to overthrow the British occupations. With help from Germany's ally Japan, he both headed the Indian National Army, which attempted to conquer parts of India, thereby freeing those areas from British occupation. This attempt eventually failed and in 1945 the INA was soundly defeated by the British forces. Despite his failure at leading a military revolt against the British occupation, Bose was extremely successful in another area. In 1941, a Free India radio was set up with help from Germany, on which Bose regularly spoke about the Indian freedom movement. Due to his charisma and charm, he succeeded in generating a wave of support for the Indian freedom movement. For more videos, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like it and share to your friends and family members. Thank you.